Oh no, this could be very bad. Oh no, 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 no. Oh shit. Honestly, we're getting ripped off with how much it's costing, but this is an expert here. Do you have any general hints and tips, advice? Good morning, it's a grey and drizzly morning here in the Omarama Top 10 Holiday Park. It ranks very highly. It's in the top 10. We're checking out of this thing because this little thing's too small. And we're escaping this horrible weather this morning. We're heading off to Oamaru. Waimate, then Oamaru. We're going to go see Travelling K. And then in the afternoon, I've got something very special. I get to fly my drone somewhere that's not everyone gets to fly. Stay tuned. Well, I wasn't expecting this. This is very unexpected. Yellow lupins. Usually you don't see these guys until, until you get down to Wanaka. But we've already found the yellow lupins here in Omarama. Achievement unlocked. Made it to campground. It's Karen's caravan. You know, it's muddy on the front because it's caravan, it gets used. Say hi, Karen.
Hello.
Karen's channel is called Travelling K. Travelling Karen. She's got her own t-shirt as well.
Yeah.
Let's have a look inside. Can we go inside?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to film you though.
So after just a little bit of trespassing, we made it to these lupins.
Yeah.
They're down here by the river, by Waimate. A sea of yellow lupins, which you just don't see them very often. Here you got these white ones. You see the white ones quite a lot in, around Tekapau and stuff. Don't see them. Yeah, you don't see the yellow ones very often. It's cautiously trying to find the edge of the river there.
Yeah, it's getting muddy here.
Going to fall in at any moment.
I think this is as far as I can go.
See, part of the thing about this little vlog series that I'm making is that the lupins are going to show up in unexpected places. You know, and this is the time of the year to see them. End of November, beginning of December. And there's going to be instances like this where I wasn't really even expecting to find any lupins today, and we've already found yellow lupins twice now. Once close to Omarama and once here. So wow. And we're not talking about a couple. We're talking about a lot. So we're staying in the campground right now, and honestly we're getting ripped off with how much it's costing. But this is an expert here. Do you have any general hints and tips, advice for staying in camping grounds in New Zealand? Anything that comes to mind?
Sure. There's an app, Campermate, and that kind of shows you where all the campgrounds are dotted around New Zealand, so you can kind of figure out how much it might cost and what are the facilities like. And there's a section for comments as well, so you can go through the comments and just see what people thought of the place before you turn up. And there are a few branded campgrounds, like top 10 are the most expensive campgrounds in New Zealand.
That's where we're staying.
Yeah, but it's also probably the best quality campground. They have everything set up really for families, so they'll have the good playground, the top-notch facilities. Then there's another one, I think Jason and Kiwi, and there's a few kind of groups of campgrounds, and they're generally the most expensive. So if you go for like the tiny little one that's owned, not, you know, it's just owned by one couple, they're generally a little bit cheaper.
Yeah. All right, well there you have it. Campermate app, and consider where you stay, because not all campgrounds are catering to all audiences.
Yeah, yeah.
Is that fair to
Sometimes
say?
just families. Yeah.
Karen just said we should have driven her car. All right, this is what you call a Ford moment. I just wonder. I think if we just go slow but not too slow. Here we go, and that is how you do a Ford.
So what does that mean?
Wow, I'm just completely in shadow now, aren't I? Look at that. Just anyway, we're going to leave Waimate now. We just finished lunch. Thank you very much, Karen, for giving me some of your time there. She's pretty busy, so had to couldn't monopolize all of her time. Let's go down the road to Oamaru to see Steampunk. Maybe I'll even fly the drone there. Welcome to Oamaru. I've actually never been down this street before. I can see why they have the annual Victorian Festival here. Alright, Steampunk. Let's just hope it's not too windy to fly. Honestly, it's pretty creepy actually. Yeah, that's an epilepsy-inducing machine right there. That's a seizure waiting to happen. HMS Hunter Cerberus. Honestly, this place, I don't understand it, but it's so cool. This is the mirror room. Oh no. No, 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 no. This could be very bad. Oh no, 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 no. Oh shit. Oh, this could be bad. It's not coming back. Oh god, the wind's got it, the wind's got it. Shit. Well, you guys please leave in the comments a big thank you and a good work to Coco, please. We were just flying the drone down there at Steampunk. We'd gotten permission from the owner to fly there, and that was all cool. And then the wind just picked it up because it's actually pretty windy, and to be honest, I shouldn't have flown today. Is that right?
Yeah, you shouldn't.
I shouldn't have flown today. So the drone just took off and it just went away. And then it started its emergency landing when it gets down to 10% battery power. So we came up here looking for it, couldn't find it. And I've just been writing out all these notes that say if you found a lost drone, I was about to start putting them in the letterboxes. If you found a lost drone, please call me. And then she sees it right there on top of the garage over there. That garage right there, it was just sitting right there. To be honest though, this has been a close call. I don't know for sure if I'm going to keep flying drones if there's such a huge risk of losing them like this.
Just be careful when you play with this toy.
Just be careful when you play with this toy.
Away from the power line.
Away from the power lines.
Do not fly in a windy day.
Do not fly it on windy days.
That's a tip.
You're right. You are correct. Listen to your wife.
Well, I'm the type of guy who never settled down. Pretty girls are, you know that I'm around. I kiss and I love them, cause for me they're all the same. I hug them and squeeze them, don't even know my name. They call me the wanderer, yeah, the wanderer. I roam around, 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 around. There's Joe on my left and there's Mary on my right. And Jeannie's the girl that I'll be tonight. And when she asks me which one I love the best, I tear up in my shirt and show Rosie on my chest. Cause I'm the wanderer, yeah, the wanderer. I roam around, 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 around. Well, I roam from town to town, live life without a care. I am happy as a clown. My tooth is a wire, but I'm going nowhere. I'm the type of guy that likes to roam around. I never in my place, I roam from town to town. And when I find myself falling for some girl, I hope I'm in the car and mine drive around the world. Cause I'm the wanderer, yeah, the wanderer. I roam around, 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 around. Well, I roam from town to town, live life without a care. I'm happy as a clown. My tooth is a wire and I'm going nowhere. I'm the type of guy that likes to roam around. I never in one place, I roam from town to town. And when I find myself falling for some girl, I hope I'm in the car of mine and drive around the world. Cause I'm the wanderer, yeah, the wanderer. I roam around, 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 around. Cause I'm the wanderer, yeah, the wanderer. I roam around, 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 around. Cause I'm the wanderer, yeah, the wanderer. I roam around, 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 around. 'Cause I'm the wanderer.
Everything's against me today. Extreme rockfall danger, don't enter. Fine. I didn't want to see the Maori rock carvings anyway. Be that way. I say everything was running against me today, but it wasn't really true. We got our, look at this, we're in our new humble abode now. Fancy stuff, you know. Look at this. Look at this. Shower. Toilet. Kitchen table. Kitchen. Fan. There's all the gear charging up for tomorrow. Tomorrow, weather dependent, we will either go to Mount Cook or Wanaka. Don't touch that dial. You know, like the dial, don't touch it. No touching the dial.